Hello, my dearest students, good morning. Students, as you know, we started learning the topic notice writing as the first one. As the first topic of section B, short writing task. And we learned a lot of things in the first part of my video. Now in the second part of this video concerning to the same topic, I would like to give you some other important salient features as well as characteristics which are so much important in the drafting of a notice. Dear students, we are left the topic, I think so, at the point of sub characteristics. The main characteristics including the 3 points: format, content, expression. Okay, we have got all the details concerning to the main 3 characteristics of the topic notice writing. So now here are some sub characteristics, and we may also name them important steps. Important steps on the basis we draft a notice. On the basis of these all important steps, we write a notice. So here I am going to put here some important features, characteristics, or we may call the steps. Okay, sub characteristics. CHARACTERISTICS. Sub characteristics of notice writing, of drafting notice. Sub characteristics of notice writing. Of notice writing. Sub characteristics of notice writing. Okay, the number 1, before we start drafting a notice, the steps as mentioned below must be followed strictly. Step number 1, write the name of institution or society okay on the top of the notice. Number 2, write the name of institution or society on the top of the letter in capital letters. In capital letters beautifully. Write the word notice, okay, at the center of the line, at the center of the line. Step number 3, mention title, mention the title okay, in the name of any, in the name of any event, public program, public activity, etc. in capital letters. Step number 4, mention the current date, at LHS left hand side, at LHS left hand side, okay, both in figure and words, both in figures and words. Step number 5, start the notice, or in the beginning of the notice, or we may write begin with any one of the following statements. Begin with any one of the following statements, okay. And furnish the other required details. This is to inform you all that now we have to furnish, here we have to mention the other required details, or we may start here the notice with some other language. you are hereby informed or intimated that now the other information. You may also start writing notice is hereby drafted to inform you that the remaining part. We may also start this is notified all students that and the remaining part. But we can begin the notice with any one of these all statements. Similarly, we can also start some more. We can also give one more interesting starting to the notice. It all depends on us. But the statement should be fully grammatically correct and meaningful. If the statement is not meaningful, so then it will be not considered correct. It will not be considered correct. And it will definitely force the examiner to deduct the marks. And each and everything must be furnished by you very nicely, very beautifully. Okay, wait. Now the next part of the notice. These are the 5 steps which are to be followed by us. The next characteristics here, the point of the character, sub-characteristics here, the step number 5, step number 6. Okay. Step number 6. Wait 1 minute. I adjust the page here properly. This is the step number 6. Okay. Include all the relevant details such as the name of organizing agency, department, then the name of program event, the venue, the date, the timing, the purpose, and many more. Okay. According to the requirement of the heading, as per the nature of heading, as per the nature of that heading, as per the nature of program, and many more. Okay. And many more. REQUIRED, required ones. In sequence order. In a sequence order. Okay. What is sequence order? Suppose we start writing the notice. Suppose we start writing the notice with the words. For instance, this is to inform you It is an official language. This is to inform you all that the name of club, the ABC club, whatever club, the arts club, for instance we take the arts club of our school. Suppose the name of the organizing agency is the Red Cross Society of Haryana. So then you will write here the name of the state, the Red Cross Society of Haryana. But if the organizing agency belongs to your school, so then there is no need to write down the name of your school. बेटा जब आपके स्कूल में कोई कार्यक्रम हो रहा है तो आपको अपने स्कूल का कोई भी जो विभाग है, जो डिपार्टमेंट है, जो हाउस है, जिस भी एजेंसी को, जिस भी क्लब को, सोसाइटी को, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को वो काम सौंपा गया है उस कार्यक्रम का आयोजन करने के लिए, उसका नाम जरूर लिखें यहाँ पर. ओके, कैपिटल लेटर के साथ में, स्टार्टिंग में कैपिटल लेटर. और आपको यहाँ अपने स्कूल का नाम नहीं लिखना है, ये मैं फिर कह रहा हूँ. We should not write it the name of our school. But if the department belongs to some state, some district, some other, school, etc., organization, so then you will write here, you will have to write here the name of the organizing agency plus the name of the school and organization also. Organizing agency plus organizing department's name. Both the things will have to be written by you here. So this is to inform you that the arts club of our school, now you have to start writing here, is going to, or we may write here, has decided to organize, celebrate, is going to celebrate, has decided to celebrate, will be celebrating, is organizing. We may write any one of these all ones. We may write any one of these all ones. Is organizing, will be organizing, like this. The name of the program. Now article N, and here we will have to write here name of the program. This is the sequence order. I want to make you understand this thing. Name of program, beta. Name of program about which you are going to inform the students. Then venue, at or in. Here venue, VENU, venue. Then the second one is here, venue, timing from, date to date. If the program runs for more than 2 days, in case of more than 2 days, 2 days, 2 or 2 days, more days, we have to write it. Otherwise we should write here the preposition on a particular date, only for a single day, only for a single day program. We have to write here this the preposition on. Thereafter timing between time and again time, and then in order to, if you want to show the purpose, you can also show your purpose, PURPOS, purpose. Conditional, if needed, if required, if needed, otherwise there is no need to write it. And then you will have to put a full stop. So this is the main section of the notice, which is to be taken care of by you very seriously, very sincerely. Don't make any kind of haste in writing this the statement. This is the main part of the notice. Now the next step, then the remaining section is to be written here. Remaining information is to be given here, which will be learnt by us in the format. Step number 7. Subscribe the notice or close the notice, end up the notice. The notice, okay, with the statement like interested from interested students from nature of classes, suppose you want to 9th onwards, okay, or you may write here the name of the class also. आप क्लास का नाम भी लिख सकते हो, आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो 9th to 12th, okay, are cordially, CORDIALLY, are cordially invited to write their names or to participate in this program, to write their names to the undersigned, SIGND, undersigned, or you may write here to their respective, to the class in charge, to their respective class in charges, okay, latest by, now the date which before, at least 2 to 3 days before the date of the program. प्रोग्राम की डेट से कम 2 दिन पहले की डेट यहाँ पर मेंशन करनी है, आपको डेट लिखनी है. The last step is here, 8th step. Put the signature. Step number 8. Okay, I think it all has been clearly visible. Because this is the 8th step. But the 8th step, okay, write your name as given in the heading. If not given, so you can write down ABC XYZ. Okay, beta. Write your name as given in the heading at the left hand side of the page. And also mention the name of department with designation. डेजिग्नेशन मीन क्या होता है? पोस्ट. जो पोस्ट होती है उस पोस्ट के नाम के साथ. फॉर इंस्टेंस, जैसे उदाहरण के तौर पर आपका नाम है यहाँ पर ABC, कोई भी नाम है, आप हैं सेक्रेटरी हैं तो SECRETARY, SECRETARY सेक्रेटरी. कौन से डिपार्टमेंट के? आर्ट्स क्लब के हैं तो आप ये लिखेंगे आर्ट्स क्लब. इस तरह से ये क्लोजिंग आपको ऐसे करनी होगी लास्ट में, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, ठीक है ना. और लास्ट स्टेप है स्टेप नंबर 9. put the notice in a box. It is quite mandatory. It is mandatory. Okay, and write each and every word, beta, in legible handwriting, neat and clean handwriting, so that the examiner can get highly impressed. So in this my second part of this in this my second part of the topic notice writing. Okay, I have provided you these all details. Now in the next third part of the topic notice writing will be, I would like to give you the heading and some solution also. Okay, so better revise these all the facts and try to write down a notice on any topic like fancy dress competition, music competition, English quiz contest, like this. Okay beta, thank you. It will be sent to you on your WhatsApp group also.